I am Rapid Mind and I am with Mr. International Philippines Cebu City. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Ralph Jude Dinalan. People call me RJ. I'm 27 years of age. I was born and raised in Cebu City, most especially in Mabolo.
Tell us three interesting facts about you.
Oh yes. Actually, I'm... Pwede ka?
No.
Oh, it's live, okay. Actually, I am very concise of my life. I am very disciplined and most especially I'm hardworking.
Okay. He did not mention that this is his first time, like very first time. That's why parang he's uncomfortable because his background actually is he used to be a varsity player for USJR
Yes.
basketball.
That is correct.
And you played professional basketball.
Yes. Formerly, I was playing for Casino Ethyl Alcohol, IPI, Cebu Sharks, and also Negros Mascobados in Bacolod City.
So curiously, what brought a basketball player to pageantry? Parang it's a big switch.
Yes. Yeah. Right now, actually, I need to find a purpose, and then my manager, my handler, really wanted me to decide or to go with this one because yeah, sino ba namang hindi kasi when having good looks, right? So yes, I decided to go because I have the quality to perform nationally.
How could your being a basketball player be of advantage to you in pageantry? How could it be useful?
Yes, as you mentioned, right, that this is my first time. However, it doesn't seem that I am a first timer because yeah, I've been what do you call it? I've been going out most of the time in public.
Been
I have a
exposed.
spotlight, most especially politicians, other elite people. That's why I'm very comfortable and very confident to
Okay.
face the media.
You mentioned spotlight. Who is your celebrity crush
Celebrity crush. Is it in sports or
in
is
show
it in
business?
For me, I really admire Catherine Bernardo because she is very simple yet she's very fierce right now. As you watch her popularity right now, she's very concise women.
Let's have three questions.
Yes.
If you will be reborn, who would you be and why?
Yeah, actually, that's one of my questions. If I will be reborn, I will be myself. Yeah, because I love being me. I love my life. I love what I'm doing right now. So that's supposed to be me.
What are you most proud of about yourself?
I'm very proud of myself because I've been honing myself since high school. I've been a varsity player in UV way back 2013. So I've been nurturing myself alone because I only have my dad is a taxi driver and then my mother is a housewife. So I need to be a varsity so that I could sustain myself in school and also by playing basketball.
Okay. He is a business administration
Yes,
graduate.
yes.
Okay.
Yes, dear.
What do you think is the best business to establish in 2024 and why?
Yeah, actually, this chance to be part of Mr. International is one of the biggest business that I have right now. So I will use this platform to have more connections, to have more admirations, so that I can help myself to be better, to improve.
Finally, a while ago, you mentioned politicians also.
Yes.
You've been exposed to politicians, celebrities. You're in the spotlight.
Mhm.
Given the chance to talk to President Marcos, what would you discuss with him about and why?
Actually, yeah, this is very shallow question, but I will ask him why is the
Price.
rice price is not still low? Yeah, that would be my question.
It's not 20 pesos.
It's not 20
promise.
pesos. Why right now, why the rice? If one plain rice, it's only 20 pesos. Why is not 1 kilo? Yeah, that's a big question for President. Hi, Mr. President.
Okay, I'm tempted to ask, why should you win Mr. International Philippines?
For me, I will win because I have the originality. This is my first time, but I can handle people very well. And also, I have an advocacy for sports. It's very unique. However, it's very unique. However, it's very good advocacy for the children, most especially in discipline, and also to encourage them to go out in the spotlight, not being shy.
If you would be a counselor of Cebu City, what would be your priority project and why?
Since I'm in line with sports, so of course, I will really go with the advocacy of sports, like say no to drugs. Yes to sports, no to drugs. Yeah, that's one of my advocacy. So yeah, I will really encourage people to give more leagues, more clinics for children, so that they will inline in sports.
Thank you very much, RG Dinulan, Mr. International Philippines Cebu City, and thank you so much, Fairfield by Mario.
Thank you so much.